Welcome back to another video, and today you join me for the one time on this channel when we will do anything to appease the haters. Today we are on the way to Surrey Rolling Road to re-dyno the car because of the amount of abuse. The amount of abuse I get on YouTube is ridiculous anyway, but the amount of abuse I've had since we stage 2'd the car and took it to SA tuning and had it dynoed, where it run 308 brake horsepower and whatever. I'll put up the print app from SA on the screen now so you can see. But it was what it was. I know the brake horsepower is 308 something. I can't remember what the torque was that for something, but you'll see it. You've seen it on the screen now. But then the people, that's ridiculous, that can't be true, that can't be true. So I was like, alright, whatever. Right. To be fair, I don't really care. Like, I like the way the car drives. It drives sick, it's fun to drive, it's fast. I don't really give it what the numbers are like, to be perfectly honest with you. It seems other people are more concerned what's happening under the bonnet of my car than I am. So, like I said, the one time we will ever appease them just because I'm bored and we need a video. So, I'm taking it to Surrey Rolling Road today. We're going to put it on their dyno, their reputable dyno, and we'll see what it comes back as. And then it'll be fingers up to them or fingers up to me. We'll see who wins. I'm a sore loser. So, there's a McLaren. So, we're going to do that now. We'll get as much video as we can while I'm there. Hopefully I can get some of it on the dyno and that. And then once we've got the print out and that, we'll jump back in. On the way home, we'll discuss. So let's get there. You'll join me back when we're there. Right, so as you see from the video, well, start off, you join me back at home. I've been mad busy with work, so it took me a while to get this video all together. But you see from when we was at Surrey Rolling Road, we got not drastically, but we got different numbers than we got from SA. So I've got all the paperwork here, so let's go through it together. So from SA, our stock numbers were 231.5, which straight away was up on what it should be, because the car, the 2 litre TFSI TT Mark II is 211 from standard. They said it was up a bit because they'd already done the decap before they'd done their first dyno run. So okay, then after the stage 2 we got 308.7 horsepower at the end. So then on and the reason, just a quick caveat, the reason why I went to Surrey Rolling Road is everyone said it's the most accurate dyno around close to me. I mean, it's still an hour and a half away, but most accurate one. It was recommended by 3 or 4 different people. A few people I talked to on Instagram that I met from YouTube, and a couple of friends that I knew before. So that's why I went there. Look, sick place, people really nice, really friendly, just how I like it. We was there on the time for our appointment, we're in, we're out. We've got our print out, we did a little bit of filming, which obviously you've already seen the footage. And now we've got a proper accurate number of what the TT is running, which is 289.2 horsepower. Now obviously that's a lot different from our 308, where, what are we? We're about 19 horsepower down. To be fair, I'm not overly fussed about it either way. It was more of just because people were driving me mad in the comments. I more just thought, let's go get a proper accurate reading, and then it is what it is after this. For me, numbers are not that important. I know it sounds a bit weird because I've said, oh, I'm the guy that wants to own a 1,000 horsepower car, but that will be, I'll build that car out to be 1,000 horsepower, do loads of stuff to it. It'll be a car that's capable of that. This was the first time I've ever tuned the car. So it's a journey, it's a journey. Like I said, this channel is all about taking the journey together, the pitfalls, what we do. You see I do plenty of stuff wrong. That's what this channel's all about. It's not everything needs to be perfect. Like, it's not, oh my God, this is this car, and all of a sudden it's perfectly amazing. Like, you can do that, but you got to chuck loads of money at it. And the point of this channel is, it's for us normal people that go work hard for their money, but want to do car stuff and have fun car adventures, to do it like on a budget. Not on a budget, but you know what I mean, like to do it easily without all of a sudden, oh, today we've got a Fiesta, tomorrow we've got a McLaren, oh my God, it's supercharged, oh my God, we're taking it here, there and everywhere. It's not that, you know what I mean? So for me, it was more about how the car would drive, how the car drives and acts. I love the way my car drives. It's a beast, it's fast, it's responsive, it pulls, it makes noise. So I like it for that aspect. The numbers are just a byproduct of that. Like I said, 289.2 is the official number. That's the number I'm putting it down as. That's what we're sticking with. I'm not going to keep Dyno in the car. I'm not really doing any more engine mods to the car anyway. Apart from maybe like a little bit of dress up. So I'm not that fussed. We will be doing some more cosmetic mods to the TT and upgrading the brakes and that, etc. so we can take it to the Nürburgring next year. That'll all be coming. But I do have my eye already on the next project, which will be drastically different to the TT. So I'm trying to get the money together for that. Plus, obviously next year, fingers crossed, with everything that's happening with the virus and everything, hopefully that'll start calming down. We get back traveling. But all that's going to come in another video. Around New Year time, I'll release a video of all the stuff we want to try and get done next year. I know if you go back and watch the video I did of that last year, we ain't really done much of it. We've done like what we can, but that's obviously not my fault. The world's in the position it's in at the moment. We're all just making do with the best we can. We're all in it together at that, really. So, but next year, hopefully things will start moving back towards normal life, and we can get all the stuff, all the fun adventures. I've already been chatting to a few of the people, like anyone that don't follow me on Instagram at Car for the UK, get over there, follow me, because I chat to everyone on there, like answer all DMs. Met loads of like friends on there, so I chat with you. We'll organise car meets next year, trips. I'm gonna be doing trips, so if people wanna come, they're welcome. We'll be going to Nürburgring. We'll be getting out into Europe, if fingers crossed, if we can. Like I said, there's a million things up in the air with the virus, Brexit. God knows what's going to be happening. So, but we're just tackling it as we get to it. But like I said, as regards to the tuning, I would still recommend the tune. I would still go back to SA. I had a really good service with them, really good experience. Can't really say anything bad about them. Can't say anything bad about the car since I got it back for them. It's been completely reliable. So, touch wood. But I can't complain about SA at all. In fact, their dynos a bit up. Dynos are all different, you know what I mean? So I'm not going to fuss and moan about that. I would go back there. God knows if I'll be tuning the next project, because it's a bit of a different type project. Maybe Probably maybe just a stage 1, but I will go back to SA. So that's the. But the next project, we will take it to Surrey Rolling Road when I get it. We'll see what it runs from every car from now on. Every car from now on, even when hopefully one day I get to the supercar, we will always take them straight away to Surrey Rolling Road, dyno it, do whatever we're going to do to it, and each stage we'll take it back to Surrey Rolling Road so it's on the same dyno and we get consistent numbers. But like I said, that's the learning. I've learned that now. I should have took it there before I even got it tuned and see what it was. But that's the learning curve, isn't it? We'll do it for next time. We know for next time. And that's it. But thanks everyone for tuning in. We just passed 50,000 views. Couldn't be happier. This guy's 50,000 subscribers. But everyone keep subscribing, keep watching, like, share, all that stuff. The next video coming is going to be repairing the bonnet release, because I need to get in and check the oil. We've been driving the car, I haven't checked the oil for ages, because obviously I can't get the bonnet open. So that is the next job. At the moment it is hammering down rain outside. It has been all the time. Every day it seems to be dry as a day I'm at work. So as soon as it's dry and as soon as it's off work, that will be the next video. I'm just going to be uploading videos at the minute as and when I make them. But they will start getting back to a routine once life gets back to a bit of a routine and once I can start getting free. But I have got my eye on new wheels for the TT. We've got like a back strut brace thing coming. Audio upgrades we need to do is a must. Brake upgrades is a must. Wing. So still plenty to come with the TT. Maybe a wrap just for next year for like the road trips might be fun so we don't mash up the paint. So yeah man, there's a lot coming with the channel. But just thank you for everyone that watches. Stay with me. I'm gonna keep making the videos as best I can. Hope you keep watching them. They will get better and better and better. So yeah, thank you everyone, and I'll catch you on the next one.